Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome! Check it out. This is I-40. I have to run to Lake Havasu this morning, do some errands. Thought I'd bring you along. Yay! Sun's just coming up. This is exit 9. This is the, what is it, 95. Highway 95 goes down to Lake Havasu, and then you take it all the way down into Parker and Quartzsite and all that. Speaking of Quartzsite, gonna be there Friday morning. Got stuff down there to do too. Definitely needed a break on the van though, so had to chase some parts. Need to go to Motorhome where I have it in storage, get a couple things out of there, maybe Walmart. Anyway, I kind of like going early in the morning, get the stuff done, and I can get back, get a little bit of work done on the van too. Here's all the truck stops. You got Pilot, Loves, Big Chevron. This is one busy intersection right there. Those trucks really loaded up. Alright, well, we're gonna head right on into town. Hard to believe it's the 1st of March. My goodness, March 4th already. Holy moly. This year's starting to move right along. Weather's getting better too. We had some really high winds, a couple minor storm fronts. No rain, but it sure did get windy. Today's gonna be nice though, they said. Okay, right up here on the left is that Lone Tree BLM camp area. Maybe on the way back we'll drive through that thing. Oh no, it's a little dark. You can see the rigs off to the left. We'll drive through there on the way out. Wow, there's quite a few in there. A lot of people come up to Havasu after they leave Yuma and Parker and Quartzsite. They're kind of waiting for the weather to warm up wherever they live. Can't blame them. But that place gets really, really busy. You'll see when on the way out. We'll drive through there. Alright, on into town we go. One nice thing, all the major shopping where I need to go is out on this end of town, so I really don't even have to go all the way into town. That's a busy airport. On the left's the airport. That is one busy airport too. One thing you have too driving through Havasu is probably a couple dozen traffic lights if you go all the way through town. It can get pretty congested. Okay, up here on the right there's a huge shopping center. That's where the Walmart is. We'll hit that the last when we're leaving town. There's Yuck Donald's. Right there. Then up a little farther there's Home Depot on the right. I gotta stop at Lowe's for sure, but probably will be Home Depot. Alrighty, not too much farther. We're going to go to where I have the motorhome stored first. And then work our way out of town. You know, Havasu has events almost every weekend, year-round. The RVers are starting to leave, but the boaters will be coming in. And this town gets really crazy all summer with all the boats. Fuel staying about the same price. Alright, almost up to storage. Alright, this won't take long at all. Just grab a couple things, mainly tools. Be out of here. Alright, all done. Nice having that motorhome inside storage this year. Alrighty, first stop will be Lowe's. You know, Home Depot and Lowe's, they pretty much have the same stuff. But it's inevitable that one of them will be out of what I need. So I always go to Lowe's first, get what I can, then I'll head over to Home Depot. And what's next in the van build? I'm going to start working on the bed frame and the battery box. They're both the same. And get a bunch of electrical installed. That stuff is very time consuming. Takes a lot of time. Matter of fact, that's the parts I'm getting today is electrical. You know, when it gets into the plumbing, I'm going to park right here in Lowe's parking lot and work. I'll bring my tools with me. I've done that before. Park right in their parking lot, and that way if you need a part, you just walk in the inside. We'll do that probably in a week or so when we set the sink and water tanks. Alrighty, let me get parked. You guys wait in the van, would you? Be right back. Well, they had 90% of what I needed. I just got to stop at Home Depot, and their wood in there and Lowe's looked horrible. I'm gonna run over to Home Depot. All I need is about 3 pieces 2x6. So we'll stop there real quick before we head to Walmart. Alright, Home Depot's up here on the left. That airport, you know, they got air shows a couple times a year there. They get the old vintage planes in, and sometimes even the military will use it for training and land those different kinds of like helicopters and all the big birds that they fly. It's pretty cool, really. You can actually sit out in the parking lots here and watch it. There's a Facebook page called Go Lake Havasu, Go Lake Havasu, and they list all their events all year long. It's like their Chamber of Commerce. Check them out. Alright, here's Home Depot. Be right back. Alright, last stop up here is Walmart. This won't take long. Just gotta grab a couple things. A little food for the van cave. Some drinking water, and then that's it. Okay. Almost done. Alrighty, all done. We are out of here. In about 2 hours, I did all the running. Got all my parts. Gonna head back to the van cave. I'll stop up here at that lone tree. We'll drive through that. See if you can spot any rigs, anyone you know. Also, someone asked if I could fly the drone and show the solar on top of the van. Heck yeah. Maybe when we get up to the truck stop, up by 40, I'll fly the drone up there. Alright, this is Lone Tree, the BLM 14-day. It's not that big of an area, but boy, they pack in a lot of people. They got a camp host here too. But you have really close access to Lake Havasu. There's ATV trails all over. I've done a couple videos on this. If you go back in a playlist, you'll see them. There's quite a few yet. But see how close they got to park? Because the area is not that big. It's a few acres, but nothing like down around Quartzsite where there's hundreds of acres. Couple dirt bikers ready to go dirt biking. Looks pretty level here. I stayed here a couple times, been a while. It was okay. The only thing I didn't care for is all the generators running. You're parked so close, a lot of people left their generators running overnight. That was a big turnoff for me. But if you got a four-wheeler, this is perfect. Absolutely perfect. There's trails that'll take you all the way into town, and you can, I'm pretty sure you can get all the way down to the water, Colorado River. Alright, well, let's head on up the road. Once again, this is Lone Tree. There's another area right up 95. It's called Havasu Heights. And they got a BLM area right off the road there. We'll stop and I'll show you that one too. It's on our way. Okay, right to the right up here, see the power poles? That's the main road. This is called Havasu Heights. It's actually a really big community with houses and everything, but right off the road is BLM camping. You'll see it. Alright, right over that dirt mountain. There's also a bar, a desert bar that opened up. You make an immediate right here on this little dirt road. It's back about 2 miles. They got food, beer. It's like an outdoor, it's mainly set up for ATVers. They just opened that this winter. Okay, see right off to the left, immediate left, see the trailers? That's all BLM area right there. You can camp there 14 days. There's a motorhome coming out. I'll go up, turn around. Alright, got turned around here. You can see them on the right. Let me pull off a second. Right there on the right. I stayed out here 3 or 4 times through the years. Truthfully, I liked it a lot better here. Wasn't near as crowded as that Lone Tree. And you had really close. You got a little traffic noise from the road, but really never bothered me much at all. Alright, well, let's head up truck stop and then I'll fly the drone. We'll check out the solar on the roof of the beast. I was asked that a while back. I go, heck yeah, let's fly a drone. Alright, truck stops are right up the road. I'll stop and we'll launch a drone. Alright, up we go. Look at that big storage unit right there. That's all indoor. Everything down here is indoor. You can store your RVs indoors, boats, everything. There's that Love's truck stop. Look at it. It's always packed full of trucks. Look at all them bikes down there too. Just a constant flow of traffic, continuous on that highway. Then that's looking straight back towards Havasu. I don't know what they're building down there. But look how vast it is out here. Open desert. You know, spring flowers are coming alive. We're gonna go film them pretty quick. Anyway, there's your bird's eye view. North of Lake Havasu, I-40 and 95. Alright, let's check out top of the van. There it is. 400 watts. Those are those Renogy Eclipse solar panels. Looking good, huh? There's the 2 fantastic fans. That looks real good from the air. I need to put a RVerTV up there on the roof, huh? I got that antenna mounted yesterday too. For the Wii Boost. Cool. Alright, there's your look from the air. Next video. I don't know what we'll do. Alright, talk soon.